Academic administrations often find themselves overwhelmed with repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Collecting adjunct contracts, managing class schedules, keeping track of student attendance, assigning grades, all these processes are as dull as they are necessary. But when there's a constant buildup of paper documents, inevitably you'll be faced with things like persisting delays, poor file maintenance, duplication, and failure to update records. Even if you're using CRM tools to manage your internal tasks, it can take hours or even days to collect and sign documents, which again results in huge overhead. No wonder more and more educational institutions are turning their heads towards workflow automation. Regardless of your institution's profile or size, workflow automation is capable of addressing your most common challenges by eliminating human errors, reducing resource consumption, and streamlining your internal processes from end to end. Electronic signatures, contract negotiation, document generation, web forms, all these processes are easily managed in a single platform called airSlate. airSlate is a flexible, no-code workflow automation solution for teams of all sizes. It allows you to build automated document workflows and configure document routing and notifications in just a few clicks. Obviously, most university administrators and HR departments cannot afford to work with complex software that requires coding skills. That's why airSlate features an intuitive drag and drop interface that doesn't require any advanced technical knowledge or programming skills. Anyone at your office can configure and automate processes without writing a single line of code. Many educational institutions, both in the US and abroad, are already using airSlate on a daily basis. Watch these videos to find out what our customers are saying about airSlate and how we help them resolve their pain points. Most likely, your automation journey won't unfold without challenge, but that shouldn't stop you from trying. With educational platforms like the airSlate Academy, you'll learn how to build efficient working processes and design document workflows of any complexity. On top of that, airSlate features hundreds of pre-built workflows for any department and industry use case that you're free to use. Education is changing regardless of your role in it. And if you're still relying on old-fashioned methods just because you're familiar with them, consider this. By applying workflow automation to your educational processes, you can not only adapt to the rapidly changing digital landscape, but also meet the needs of an increasingly tech-savvy generation of learners. It's time to take paper, confusion, and mistakes out of the equation and replace them with fast and simple forms for collecting accurate data and saving time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.